Hello everyone, welcome to Solar Science. Today we will see how to use TDS meters. So as you can see, we have on and off key over here, then hold key, and this is the display. So let's open it. See, this is how it looks like. Now we need water samples to test the readings. So first I am taking the normal drinking water of our house. Open the TDS meter. Press the on and off key. It's on. The reading is 0 now. Dip it into the water and the reading is shown as 3-4. So we will hold it now, and the value is 34 for this water sample. Now we will change the water sample and see what reading is shown. So this water is the one we use for washing or cleaning purpose. Again put it to 0 and then dip it into this water sample. Here we are getting 76 as the reading. Hold it, and this is the final reading. Now let's keep this aside also and take the third sample, that is the packed drinking water that we get from shops. Let's pour the water. And dip the TDS meter into it. For this one the reading is 38. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you want it then you can buy this from Amazon worth rupees 200.